Have you ever put your drone in a tree?
We did.
We did. And in this video, we're gonna attempt to get it out. We've made a few unsuccessful attempts, but stay tuned and we're gonna see how this goes. So our luck just keeps getting better. What just happened?
Well, right back up there is our drone.
Yeah, it's up in that tree. It's up in that tree.
How'd that happen?
I don't know.
Low flight.
So the reason that our drone got in the tree is because we were practicing up in this open area here, and it was really only the second time we've used the drone. And it's pretty open other than a few trees on this side. And then there's some trees over on that side, and we were just doing a quick shot. If you can see, our Volano is right there in the middle, and we wanted to do a quick shot around the Volano. It got hung up. I'm not sure if we can see it from up here. I think it's in this tree here, but we just didn't set it high enough. That's how it got stuck up in that tree. The reason why we have to get it down, which I don't know if I mentioned before, is that we have the DJI Refresh Care package. So they will replace it, I believe, twice in a year for pilot error. But they won't if you can't get the drone back. So we have to get this drone down. But I just said $500 is not worth life and limb. If it's just too dangerous trying to get that branch down, we're not doing it. Right. We're just gonna get a new one and call it good. But boy, will we be sad if we have to drive away with our drone in the tree. Here's our telescoping ladder that we're gonna use. Ryan has the telescoping saw.
Few days now that our drone's been stuck up in the tree. Made an attempt to use a ladder, and we bought a long extension saw, tried to get up there and get at it. Just couldn't get enough leverage on it. Could reach it, just couldn't get enough leverage. So Chris thought about calling a tree service, and lo and behold, they have agreed to come out. Jimenez Tree Service. They're coming out here in just a few minutes, and I'm pretty sure they're going to be able to get to it. They're the experts. And that's what we decided to do.
Well, I ain't never did no drone fetching.
Have you?
This is new for you, huh? Well, at least you don't have to take the whole tree down. Look at him go. Oh my gosh. So how come you get to stay on the ground?
I don't know how to climb trees.
Oh my gosh, he's up there in seconds. He's so far up in that tree. Literally.
When you get to these 10 limbs, sometimes you shouldn't eat that much.
You better go on a diet. He's literally on the branch where the drone is right now. Can't believe it. perch with the drone in it, and he's snapping it down. Oh, there it goes! He got it.
Tony got it out of the tree from way up there.
How long did that take him?
Maybe about 5-10 minutes. It actually doesn't look too bad, so we're gonna plug
Charge
it
it up and see.
if it works again.
Oh my gosh.
All right, so far it's working. We do have a couple damaged blades, so we're gonna take those out quick and just see if we can get it up a little bit.
We're not gonna fly
We're
it.
not gonna fly it.
Not
We're
today.
gonna at least see if we can get it to roar. So we'll see.
We have liftoff. Hot diggity. Congratulations, DJI. Your product can literally spend 24 hours in the rain and snow and still fly.